And welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Interim National Head Coach Rudolph Speed will have his day with the JFF Disciplinary Committee following his dismissal from the touchline in the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League game between Cavalier and the Chapelton Maroons, and that was at the Stadium East Field on Sunday.
With Cavalier and the Chapelton Maroons locked in a tense battle, things took a twist near the end. It is uncertain what was said by Cavaliers coach Rudolph Speed, but whatever it was, it prompted referee Christopher Mason to take swift action. That action resulted in a red card, and Speed was told to leave the playing area with immediate effect. Speed was named in December as the Reggae Boys interim coach to oversee Jamaica's CONCACAF Intercontinental Playoff as they seek a route to the FIFA World Cup in June to be held in the USA, Mexico and Canada. Meanwhile, in Sunday's late game, Arnett Guardians head coach Philip Williams has expressed disappointment with his team's 0-0 draw against Mullings United. The draw at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex leaves Arnett in 10th on 31 points, 6 points off a playoff place.
We're very disappointed with the result. I think we played well, we created the chances, we're just not converting. But where we're at in terms of the teams in front of us who are continuing winning, we definitely have to put a run together, and back-to-back games, getting 3 points is definitely what is needed.
Like Arnett, Mullings head coach Jermaine Thomas bemoaned the lack of quality from his team in front of goal, but was happy not to walk away empty-handed. Mullings United remained 12th on 24 points.
Of course, we wanted to get all 3 points, but nonetheless, we got one. And at the end of 90 minutes, I'd have to be satisfied with that. I thought we played well. We were very, very organized. We kept compact, for long periods. And I thought we got the better opportunities and, should have really put the game away.
In the early game on Monday, Racing United had a 3-0 win over home team Harbourview. Giovanni Cunningham, Tajay Grant, and Dean Andre Thomas were the scorers. Racing are now on 45 points, while Harbourview are in the relegation zone on 20. Gerard Morris Seeley for TVJ Sports.